Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create Canvas badges account on PC. Through Canvas badges, it will help users like us to create and manage digital badges that are our virtual representation of achievements, skills or competencies achieved by us. To create Canvas badges account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.badger.com, then press on enter. With this, you will be taken to official website of Canvas badges. Now here you can see create account option on the top left. Click on create account option. Now here you can select your region by clicking on different region option on the top. Now here you can see you can create your account using your Facebook, Google, your Microsoft account, your LinkedIn account, your Temenos account or your Twitter account. I'm going to create my account using my email address. For that, you need to enter your email on the given email box. After this, click on continue option. Then you'll get a verification code on your mail. So open your mail inbox, then look for the mail that is sent by Canvas badges, then click on the given mail. Now here copy the given verification code, then go back to Canvas badges tab and enter the given verification code on the given box. With this, click on verify option. Now here you need to fill in all the information. First, you need to enter your first name on the given box, then enter your last name on the given box. Then here you need to enter your occupation or job title. This is an optional choice. Then here you need to create your password. Make sure your password is strong and has at least of 8 characters. Then you need to re-enter your password on the given box. After this, once view the terms of service and click on the box stating I have read and agree to terms of service. After filling in all the information, click on create account. With this, now here your account will be created. Here you can see welcome to Canvas badges. Now here you can scroll down. Then here you can see get started box. Now here click on view Canvas badges backpack option. Then you'll be directed to Canvas badges. Now here you can see that your account has been created. As you can see here, my account name is present on top right corner. This is how we can create Canvas badges account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.